So Rips by Triumph app, a new viral app which you can find in here. So digital packs, real cards. So you can just find it in here. Open packs, get valuable cards, cash out instantly. Experience the thrill of opening trading card packs. Every pack could hold a rare card worth thousands. Keep the cards, sell them for cash, or have shipped to your door. Withdraw real money. Pull rare cards and cash out instantly via debit, PayPal, Venmo. And then there are some referral codes. So yeah, kind of like a lottery app, but with these cards, which you can win. So going viral. I don't know, to be honest, how legit is this, but yeah, here you can see you can refer friends and get free packs. So the idea is that you can just, for example, buy some cards for like $1, $5, and then you can see that some of these cards can be worth like $200, $500, maximum minimum value 8, maximum 500. So you buy for $25 and you can win 500. But you know, it's ideal case. It's like a casino. So obviously, probably you will win just 8. You can adjust. You can adjust normal or high, and then you can see high risk, and then you can see just the details in here. So that's what you can get. And then again, you can select different, so not just Pokemon, you can also select basketball cards, you can select One Piece cards, and then you just buy this. You need to deposit balance just with your Apple Pay, and that's it. And then you can have your balance in here. You can cash out, try to cash out, and then customer support, FAQ. So let's just take a look. So you can withdraw to debit card, bank account, subject to availability of PayPal, Venmo account. You'll need to complete and pass an identity verification that you requires you to be over 18, have a government issued identity card, and pass a liveness test. Usually it takes 24 hours. So, and then withdrawal is 10 minutes. You need to pay taxes. Identity verification failed. And then you can just see the details in here. I don't know basically whether this app is only available in US or also in other countries, Canada, Europe. So I have no idea. So you can see the details just in here. So what do you guys think? Then you can also log in. And then there is a showroom. So some people seems like they just won this kind of cards. Or maybe these are just some cards available, so I don't know. And then you can see collection. So yeah, that's your valued cards, vaulted cards will be automatically sold after 7 days at fair market value unless you have them shipped to you. So you can ship them, and that's how you just top up your balance. So new viral app going viral on again on TikTok, Reddit. Some people say it's a scam because obviously it's kind of like a casino. So probably very few people actually getting some high value cards which are worth like $10,000, maybe a few $1,000, but probably it's just less than 1%. Most users just deposit money like, $30, $50 and get cards worth like $20. So most people probably will gonna lose money in this app. I'm just telling you because how would this app make money other way? So yeah, but that's what it is. Try it out.